Meaning of domino effect.
Domino effect.
Domino effect.
Domino effect.
Domino effect. Domino effect refers to a phenomenon where a single event triggers a series of related events. This term is often used in the context of cascading failures or chain reactions. For instance, if a domino tile falls over, it can cause a chain reaction, knocking over a sequence of tiles. Similarly, in a broader sense, a small event can trigger a larger chain of events, leading to significant consequences. The result of a domino effect can range from minor to catastrophic, depending on the scale and nature of the events involved.